I have a holiday challenge that you might like.
Forget losing weight. We are going to win the holidays by maintaining your weight. Let's talk about something real for a second. It's November, which means the holiday season is right around the corner. Thanksgiving, Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, New Year's. No matter what you celebrate, food is everywhere. So here's my challenge. Don't try to lose weight right now. Instead, let's focus on something more realistic and actually more powerful. Let's just maintain your weight through the holidays. Think you can do it? Here's the deal. Keep your weight steady from now until January 2nd. Most people gain about 5 to 7 pounds during the holidays, and research shows that holiday weight gain tends to stick around. But here's what I tell my clients. If you finish January at the same weight you started in November, that's a win. That's something to celebrate. Seriously, be proud of that. Because food during the holidays isn't just about eating, it's about family, tradition, love. Your grandmother's stuffing? Those aren't just calories, they're memories. That special dish your aunt makes every year. That's connection. The cookies you bake with your kids. The meals that bring everyone together. These foods are part of who we are. And here's what I refuse to do. Make you feel guilty about enjoying that food. That's torture. Especially during the holidays when food means so much more than just nutrition. So my philosophy is simple. Maintain your weight, enjoy your traditions. Don't deprive yourself, and don't beat yourself up if you can walk into January at the same weight you were in November. You've done something most people can't. Let's start by shifting your mindset. This isn't about restriction. It's not about being good or bad. It's about balance and intention. Here's what maintenance looks like. You'll enjoy holiday meals fully, joyfully, without guilt. But the other 80 to 85% of the time, you're eating normally, making balanced choices. You're not skipping meals to save calories for the party. Later, you're not punishing yourself with extreme workouts the day after a big dinner. You're living your life, but with awareness. Think about it. November through January is about 3 months. Roughly 90 days. Maybe 10 to 15 of those days are actual holiday events or celebrations. That leaves you with 75 to 80 regular days. If you stay consistent on those regular days, those 10 to 15 celebration days won't derail you. That's the power of maintenance thinking. Alright, let's talk about the strategies that actually work in this first session. Let's cover the foundational rules to start strong. Strategy 1. Don't skip meals before the big event. I hear this all the time. I'm not eating all day, so I can eat whatever I want at dinner. No, don't do that. When you skip meals, you show up starving and end up eating 2 to 3 times more than you normally would. Instead, eat a normal breakfast, have a light lunch, maybe grab a protein-rich snack an hour before the event, like Greek yogurt or a protein shake. You'll have way more control when you sit down to eat. Strategy 2. Prioritize food groups for portion control. At every holiday meal, start with vegetables or salad. These are high-fiber, low-calorie foods that will fill you up. Then move to your protein turkey ham, whatever your family serves. Save the heavier carbs and desserts for last. By the time you get there, you'll be less ravenous and naturally eat smaller portions. Strategy 3. Use the plate method for portion awareness. I'm not asking you to count calories at your family's holiday dinner. That's ridiculous, but I am asking you to be aware. Use a normal-sized plate, not a giant platter. Fill half your plate with vegetables, the quarter with protein, a quarter with carbs or starches. Then if you want dessert, absolutely have it, but keep it reasonable. A slice, not half the pie. Strategy 4. Savor every bite. Practice mindful eating. This is so important when foods are made with so much love and care. Don't just shovel food in your mouth while talking. Actually taste it. Enjoy it. Slow down. When you eat mindfully, you feel satisfied with less food because you're actually experiencing it. You'll notice flavors, textures, the love that went into making it, and you'll know when you're full instead of eating past the point of comfort. Strategy 5. Move your body, but make it fun. I'm not talking about punishing yourself with 2-hour gym sessions. I'm talking about a family walk after dinner, dancing at the party, playing with your kids or nieces and nephews. Movement doesn't have to be formal exercise. It just has to happen. Even 20 to 30 minutes of walking helps with digestion, stress management, and keeps your metabolism active. Strategy 6. Limit liquid calories. This is where people get into trouble during the holidays. Eggnog, cocktails, hot chocolate, punch, sodas, sugary drinks. These add up fast. I'm not saying don't enjoy them. I'm saying be intentional. Pick 1 or 2 drinks you really want and enjoy them. The rest of the time stick to water, sparkling water, or unsweetened tea. Liquid calories don't fill you up, but they absolutely count. Strategy 7. Weekly weigh-ins for awareness. Weigh yourself once or twice a week during the holidays. Not to punish yourself, not to obsess, but to have awareness. If you see the scale creeping up by a pound or 2 after a big weekend, you can adjust during the week. If you avoid the scale completely until January, you might be shocked and discouraged by what you find. Weekly check-ins give you real-time feedback and keep you accountable. Now let's say you go to a party and eat way more than you intended, or you've got 3 days in a row of big meals, and you feel off track. What do? First, do not punish yourself. Don't skip meals the next day. Don't do some extreme cleanse or detox. Don't go crazy at the gym trying to burn it off. Instead, just get back to normal. Eat a balanced breakfast, drink plenty of water, go for a walk. Get back to your routine. 1 day or even 3 days of overeating doesn't ruin your progress. What ruins progress is the guilt spiral where you feel so bad that you just give up completely. So be kind to yourself, acknowledge it, and move on. That's what maintenance is about. Resilience, not perfection. Here's my challenge for you. This holiday, step on the scale this week. Write down that number. Then focus on these strategies between now and January 1st. Enjoy your holidays, the food, the family, the traditions, without guilt. Move your body, hydrate, sleep, and then on January 2nd, step on that scale again. If you're at the same weight or even within a couple of pounds, celebrate, pat yourself on the back, be proud, because while everyone else gained 5 to 7 pounds, you maintained. And that, my friend, is a massive accomplishment. Drop a comment and tell me, what's your favorite holiday food tradition? I want to know. Remember, stop dieting, start living. Food's meant to nourish you, body, mind, and soul.